kachetong bangdang nang ma. K kachetong bangdang nang ma. K kachetong bangdang.
Legal Decision Committee, Chief Convener, General Secretary, Central Committee, Reception Committee, Reception Committee, Convener Hansi, Mai Puang Hoi, Lokaki Wanita, Reception Committee, Pensi, Jenung Riponiglo. Lasika dulu kita make full pattern. Kita tahu make full pan. Kadang so make kacarije. Anghoy kang ni long ame. Nang cito dulu dia pan.
APHLC.
Nili ninje pelo lebih kadu pada aset hedung ben. Into era top host defense. Ari kacau ke bahasa kata. Nang karju hobo sendiri. Ninje pelo.
Together and fight for our same cause. Sixth schedule is the most important schedule which is meant for us. In the constitution, it has been incorporated to protect us since we are socially economically backward. That is why in the constitution it has been incorporated to protect us from all sort of illegals and suppression and depression. So, it's after all, Karbi Along already notified Kora say it's already since inception. After the independence, it's well known and is neglecting us. Once the
Central Committee President,
then we all will be getting the
APHLC,
I want to
original political party,
people of Karbi Along, we all should united and remove all these corrupted people. Because the entire system is corrupted, and because of these corruptions, we the innocent people, we the downtrodden people, we the blazers, we are deprived from every aspect of life.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Hello, okay.
Long live, long live, long live. Long aside, long live, long live, long live. Habe Pimbo, long live, long live, long live. Habe Pimbo, long live, long live, long live. Kami recharge everything, ma.